Hi everyone. Good evening. Yeah. So we are from Pinnacle 7 Technologies Private Limited, Coimbatore, and I am Prijith Radhakrishnan, CEO, and I have Mr. Ganeshan with me, who is the VP Business Operations and Deliveries. Plus, we also have Pinnacle 7 team here along with us. Thank you for joining this session. We also thank Odoo, Odoo and team. We thank Fabian G, Mantavya G, and all the other Odoo community members. We also welcome the partners who are here with us, and we thank our esteemed clients and our Pinnacle 7 team who are with us here. We also thank Mr. Kuldeep Ji, who is here with us. He would be giving us a live testimonial in this session. Yes, so in this session, we will be talking about Pinnacle 7, and as Pinnacle 7, how we have excelled in implementing Odoo for multiple companies across the globe. We will also be talking about few of our customer testimonials. We will also be presenting one of our case study, and then we will have a small Q&A session. Thank you for joining us. And we are at stall number 71, booth number 71. If you would like to meet us, you're always welcome to meet us there and have a detailed discussion on any topics that you have. So today, as per this meeting, our agenda is we'll have a short topic about Pinnacle 7 technologies, and we'll also talk about our customer whose case study we are going to present here, and the landscape of Semnox. Semnox is our customer about whom we will have a testimonial and also a case study. Then the challenges faced by our client, the solutions and customizations we gave and how we solved their business problems. And as this whole implementation, Odoo 18 implementation for Semnox was done based on CRM and subscription management, we'll have a short deep dive into that. We will also be explaining about our implementation approach that we carried for Semnox. And out of this whole implementation, what was the benefits that Semnox got in this whole project approach? We would be explaining that too. And we will present few of our testimonials, then we will go into the Q&A session. So yes, about Pinnacle 7 technologies, we have been into this industry providing Odoo services to our clients worldwide for the past 12 plus years. We are a Odoo Silver partner, and we have successfully implemented 100 plus end-to-end Odoo projects globally. And our core expertise lies on manufacturing, retail, edutech, logistics, construction services, and subscription businesses. And our strength is our domain expertise. In all these industries, we understand the pain areas, and based on that, we have created multiple solutions that can work on Odoo platform, which for these industries, it will be mostly like 70% and plus direct fit. And our experts at Pinnacle 7 have deep proficiency in CRM, sales, purchase, inventory, manufacturing, accounting, projects, HR, including payroll and subscriptions. And we have more domain expertise in garment manufacturing, and in EduTech we have created multiple platforms using Odoo's very strong learning management system. And in warehousing also we have implemented IoT based services such as barcoding based on barcodes, RFID, and QR code management. So in IoT, we also have asset tracking systems, which was built on Odoo. We would be able to integrate antennas and RFID readers, which will help you to track how your products are moving from one location to another location. And it also have good, beautiful dashboards where you would be able to easily track your products. These are few of our esteemed clients. So Semnox is what we will be seeing today. We have Propel Industries. They are located in Coimbatore. They are into mining, and we have Penguin Apparels. They are in Madurai. They are a garment manufacturing company with 2,500 plus employees and more than 16 factories of garment production. Genitrix is located in UAE. We also have Coimbatore Potteries and Refractories. This is a company who manufactures bricks that can be supplied for foundries. And we have EGMI, who are into bearing manufacturing. Intellicap, we have done plenty of Odoo services for Intellicap. They are a part of Avishkar Group. And Dovetail, which is located in Bangalore. Industry Lane is also located in Bangalore. And we have Kadabam's Hospitals. Kadabam's Hospitals complete backbone runs of Odoo, and we are taking care of it. And now we have Beidi and Avalon Network Products. They are located in Dubai. We have TIG, which is in TNG, which is in Coimbatore. Precision Pyramid. We have done projects with Precision Pyramid in Nepal. And now we have Vijay Home Foods, who is located in US, and they supply dairy products and all across US. And we have Evotech Engineering from Bangalore. These are few of our clients. We have a lot more. Can you go to the next? So yes, we'll be talking about the case study of Semnox solutions. Before that, please go to the previous slide. Yeah, we have our esteemed client, Mr. Kuldeep from IBO, who is here to give us a short live testimonial for our services. I would like to welcome Kuldeep, please. Yes. Here. Thank you very much, Kuldeep. It's great to have you here.
Same here, same here. I'm pleased to meet you all here. Personally, we are working almost, it's been more than 3 years. So it's great.
Sorry, just a brief introduction about Mr. Kuldeep. He is the ERP head for IBO and also for KPN. And it's a great honor, Mr. Kuldeep, that you have come all the way to give a live testimonial for us. So thank you so much.
It's my
And
pleasure.
yeah, long way to go, and we would love to serve you
Sure, sure.
forever.
Sure, sure.
Thank you, thank you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. As Ganeshan has given my intro, so Kuldeep Vishwakarma this side. Hope you guys can hear me properly. Uh, so so we have joined Pinnacle 7 in 2021. So we started our company. We are into retail business for in home building items, same as a Home Depot in US. So we were looking for a partner who can help us to go to the market as soon as possible. So they help us and work with our in-house tech team to implement the ERP as soon as possible, so we can go to the market as soon as possible. So we join them to implement inventory accounting and purchase module, so we can procure the item for our stores. So to basically choosing a right partner helps a lot when you are implementing ERP. ERP is not something which you will use for a couple of years. It's a decade goal when you choose a ERP, right? So choosing a right partner who can understand your pain point, who can join your boat and help better how you can grow your business. So I'm really thankful for the Pinnacle team and the developers who are working and helped us to grow our business. And now it's been 3 years. We started with one store. Now we have around 40 stores. And our goal is to have a 400 store by end of this year. So thank you so much for this opportunity to be here.
Thank you very much, Kuldeep. It's a great pleasure to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Right. So I would like to call Mr. Ganesh, our VP Business and Deliveries, to go ahead and explain about Semnox and what we have done for Semnox solutions. Yes, Ganesh.
So thank you so much, Prijith, and very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So it's a honor to have here. And yes, I would certainly like to thank Odoo for all the efforts that they have taken for this trade show, for this excellent road show which is happening in 2025 August. So, and yes, obviously, I would like to start from thanking our prestigious clients who have been with Pinnacle 7 for quite some time, who has trusted Pinnacle 7 and given us continuous opportunities to serve them. And also, like, we are proud to tell you that our clients are there. There are few clients who are with us for almost like 10 plus years. So, thanks to all of the clients, the entire Pinnacle 7 team who has been working round the clock 24/7 to ensure that our customers are always happy. And yes, especially the Odoo team who has been very supportive to us and to the other partners as well who have been trying to promote Odoo to the industry and also to the other community as well. So thanks to the entire team. So yes, this is about one of our customer named Semnox. Semnox is a monopoly actually in this industry. They are based out of Mangalore in India, and they founded in the year 2008 in Mangalore, India, and they are basically from the entertainment industry. So they are the leading provider of products and services for the entertainment industry. So their main key services are like flagship product, Parafite debit card system. So that is going to be the key area where they started to focus, which is based on the RFID debit card solution, managing all aspects of the family entertainment centers like amusement parks, including game zone in the fun malls, attraction towards the food service, events, promotions. So anywhere you find, let's say that you go to a mall where you will find a fun zone, so you will certainly find Semnox there. So that is how they have created their legacy towards this industry. And the key offerings is like RFID based billing, POS, point of sale, ticketing, locker management, access control, and tracking solutions. So these are the key services that they offer to their customers. So they have a global presence actually. In India, they are based out of Mangalore, and they're also there in USA, UAE, and UK. So this is a high level introduction about Semnox. So the major business verticals they focus. So it is going to be more of family and entertainment centers, theme parks, water parks, and amusement parks, any kind of a fun zone or an activity area where you will obviously find Semnox there. And food and beverages, F&B as well. Like in food courts or somewhere you go in a mall, again, you will be able to see Semnox there. So yes, this is the overall Semnox Odoo landscape. So what all modules that has been implemented for Semnox? So yes, so actually they started with Odoo 8. So the first implementation that we did almost 6-7 years back was Odoo 8 enterprise module. And then recently they were planning, the entire management took a decision of moving themselves into SAP or Microsoft Dynamics. Then we had a meeting with the customer. We made them understand that Odoo has even more better features, and for their existing requirements, Odoo would be a direct fit for them, and we can certainly help them in order to take care of their entire application working flawlessly. So trusting us, as they have been dealing with us for almost 6-7 years, they trusted us and they gave an opportunity now. And now we are proud to say that we have upgraded them from Odoo 8 to Odoo 16 Enterprise Edition. So with a few customizations that we did, exclusive for Semnox, along with the existing modules. So these are some of the modules that we have implemented for Semnox, right from CRM, sales, purchase, inventory, accounting, manufacturing, subscriptions, rental, email marketing, and marketing automation. So we have also integrated multiple other third-party social media websites, or we have completely integrated to the existing Odoo system, and we have given it as a one platform for the customer. So yes, now we will get into the operational challenges. So for any customer, it is very important for a service company like us to understand their pain points. So first, we Pinnacle 7, we really understood what exactly the challenges that they are currently facing, and we tried to have a detailed discussion with the management of Semnox team, and we found a solution how this can be taken care. So I would like to highlight here few operational challenges of Semnox, initially how they handle this and how they are handling in the Odoo system currently. So disconnected systems for various departments like sales, inventory, procurement, finance, and project management. So they faced a lot of difficulties in these areas where it is not interconnected. They were like, it was scattered where sales and inventory or the procurement was not connected well. And then lack of real-time visibility into operations and data. So they were not having a real-time visibility. Let's say as a management, they would certainly like to understand what's going on, but unfortunately they were not able to see the real-time data because they were not just using Odoo 8, they were also using Excel sheets and other ways like Google spreadsheets in order to manage their day in, day out challenges, and that's how they were operating in, at the start. And then unable to track subscription renewals. So this is because their line of business is almost like into subscription. So it was very hard for them to track that in terms of renewals and managing the contracts, everything. It was really tough for them. So then tougher streamlining of incoming leads. So again, like, because they were using multiple other third-party platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce. So in order to get the leads from there, import the leads, and save it in an Excel file, then put it in the Odoo system, manually entering all the leads into the Odoo CRM. So it was really difficult for them because 3-4 people have to work to just get one work completed. Manual processes and data duplication leading to inefficiencies. So obviously, as we all know that any manual intervention is there are high chances of having issues in tracking the data. So similar way, the client was also facing such kind of difficulties. And difficulty in tracking project cost and employee tasks effectively. So tracking the overall project, the deliverables of the project, whether it has been delivered, whether the renewal has happened, whether the system like the missions have been given to the customers, it has reached to the customer place. So they had a lot of challenges and difficulties in terms of managing everything. Yeah. So yes.
Yeah. So I'll go ahead into the ERP solution that we implemented. So after we understood all these challenges, we started streamlining operations through the ERP where all the departments got connected. So once we implemented Odoo 16 Enterprise Edition for them, they were able to connect all these departments together. So major goal was to ensure that from leads to orders to subscription to invoices are coming in the same line. Hence, we suggested to bring in the subscription module because one of the major requirement was to ensure that the subscriptions are tracked well with reminders and renewals. So we implemented the subscription module. Then we went ahead with suggesting of procurement and inventory. Hence, there were multiple locations, and the vendor management also had to be streamlined. So by implementing purchase order management and inventory, this area started to get streamlined. And before they were using Odoo 8, and in Odoo 8 itself, accounting was really good. So accounting was used in Odoo 8. Now when we moved into Odoo 16, it was several times ahead now in accounting. Hence, Semnox were able to completely utilize all the accounting features which was available in Odoo 16. We also suggested to bring in project management, and we started designing custom workflows as there are multiple managerial levels. So for every transactions, we brought in approval systems starting from sales, purchase, invoices and all. And everywhere the documents had to be printed, we brought in workflow approvals. So how we delivered? First, we understood the requirements. We understood what were the gaps. We configured the modules to suit Semnox exact needs. We sat with the users. we understood what their exact roles and responsibilities were. We created a user matrix, and according to the user matrix, we configured the user access levels so that the workflows became even better across the hierarchy. And as we brought multiple departments and multiple users across the user levels, the workflow across the departments became even better and better. Next, what was more important is we had Excel spreadsheets being used for subscription management because Odoo 8 did not have that feature. And in Odoo 16 Enterprise, as we brought in subscription, we had to sit with the client, understand the complete Excels, and completely transform that into Odoo. There we had some gaps where certain fields were supposed to be created. We created all those fields. We migrated the data from Excel to this subscription module, and hence from there on, their renewals became streamlined. So I can quickly walk you through the enhancements that we did in CRM. In CRM, Semnox have multiple leads and inquiries coming from different portals. They had different web sources, and they wanted to track the leads even better. So we brought in unique lead numbers by each company locations. This made them to track the leads based on lead numbers, and opportunity access were set for the salespeople who can view their own opportunities. And we also brought mandatory lead conversion information into the system. At the same time, when the lead becomes an opportunity, in the opportunity, you are able to see the details according to the name, region, and vertical of the business from where they got the inquiry. This made them to see accurate reporting. And earlier sales and accounts were separated. As we bought this in, the sales and accounts got integrated, so all the orders up to invoicing started coming into the same line. So you take a sale order, you will be able to see how much is invoiced against it, what's delivered against that. And one automation that we did was automatically assigning the leads. So whenever you start getting leads from multiple sources outside Odoo, for example, let's say you have HubSpot and website, so you can get leads from multiple places. All these leads started coming into Odoo after we integrated, and these leads will automatically get assigned to the respective salespeople according to the rules that is already defined. Subscription, which is another major important thing. So in subscription, Odoo subscription module was working beautifully well for Semnox. The only gaps we identified was, according to Semnox, there are certain fields that had to be created with functionalities. It's not just fields, with functionalities behind the fields. We had license key and expiry dates, renewal date, and pricing for some complex subscription models. And for all these subscription records, we set up the approval process. Then by bringing in the subscription module, the renewals and changes and amendments that happens within the subscription started become even more easier. Our implementation approach, we have a very well clearly defined implementation approach for all our projects. When we start a project, we'll have a clear business requirement study. We document the complete requirements, and according to the requirements, we'll understand what are the pain areas and the business problems the client faces. Based on that, we will write down the solution, and these solutions will be charted out clearly, presented to the client, and based on that, we will take out the gaps. So whatever gaps are there, that will be moved into development. We'll prioritize, then from there on, we'll start working on an agile methodology. Our focus is to ensure that client gets the system as early as possible to start running the business operations. Hence the study is over. Straight away we'll move into configuration. We'll present the system directly to the client. We'll start the training. We'll conduct user acceptance testing where we'll ensure that the client is well informed about how the overall system works. We'll start the migration and we'll go live. So the development happens parallelly. Whatever gaps are there, All the priority one gaps will be developed and it will go before it goes live. And we'll talk to the customer and ensure whatever is the next priority requirements in the next few weeks that will get done. That's our approach. So for Semnox, we did the business analysis first. Um, the yeah, business analysis first, as they had global operations. So for all the different countries from where they operate, we conducted business requirements, we documented it, and we did the gap analysis. For these gaps, we defined what tailored solution can we give them. And we adopted a phased and iterative development approach for each step. Then we went ahead and started our user training across the departments, starting from the manager level up to the executive levels. We had them trained in the system. Then we worked with them closely. Even now, we are working with them closely on making third-party integrations, like what we did with the leads screen. And as they were already into Odoo, we helped them to migrate data from Odoo 8 to Odoo 16. We helped them to transfer master data, open orders, and opening stock and opening balances. And once it was done, once the client was comfortable to move forward, we established our help desk team who was always available for them to ensure that they use the system effectively. This was the implementation approach we had with Semnox. As we also discussed about the benefits, I would like to again re-emphasize that we had the leads, overall lead system was enhanced very well. The data accuracy improved a lot because now you don't have much Excel works, everything is automated, so there is no issues with data accuracy. And the reporting got even more advanced. We have created dashboards. The dashboards are assigned to the users. Everyone who logs in can see what's happening within their departments, and the MIS reports comes very well. Now the collaboration between the sales and accounts department works wonderfully because the system talks between the departments. And as we got this lead system completely streamlined, the insights for the marketing team has become even stronger. They can understand from which source they are getting better leads. So this will help them to plan the next steps and figure out how they can make more ROI out of this. Then we also had, as subscription management was in, we had to develop a sales agreement module, which was actually happening outside the system. Now that works within the system. So you would be able to see how, when the order got confirmed, when the agreement is finalized, and when you need to start your works. Now this efficient renewals of the subscriptions ensures that they are in touch with all the customers, and they also know when the customers have to renew. This also has improved the CRM, overall CRM process for Semnox. Because every time you get in touch with the customer regarding this, you can understand more about what they want, and this has really improved the relationship with customers. Yes, so I would like to Ganesh to explain our customer. So this is what we did in Semnox. Hope you all had an idea about our implementation with Semnox. A great client. We really had a wonderful time working with Semnox. Thanks to Mr. Umesh, Umesh, Kiran, and Mr. Iqbal, the directors of the company who have worked very closely with us and made us to make this project successful. Yeah, I would like to move to Ganesh so he can also talk about our other customer testimonials.
Yes, thank you, Prijith. Yes, once again, we thank Semnox, the entire team of Semnox, for being more supportive and trusting Pinnacle 7 as their implementation partner. So it's a successful journey, and we hope this will continue forever. And being said that, I would like to move into the customer testimonials. So yes, this is from Semnox. I would like to start from Semnox. Mr. Umesh, he's one of the director. So he has given a great testimonial that Pinnacle 7 team has been great to work with, and their team has always gone beyond the defined scope to support the clients and make sure the solution is implemented in the right way and not just what client needs it. Prijith has been forefront of all the initial business proposal, explaining why it makes sense for us to move to Odoo 16, how it will benefit us and helped us build the business case. Been very happy with their services. So thanks to you, Umesh sir, for this wonderful comments. So now moving on to the other testimonial, which is from Coimbatore Potteries and Refractories. So it is from Mr. Vidya Prakash, who is the managing director and partner for Coimbatore Potteries and Refractories. So his testimonial is, ours is a process manufacturing industry with several hundreds of products, and Pinnacle 7 has successfully implemented the ERP system for our activities. We have been using Odoo-based ERP system customized by Pinnacle 7 for the past 4 years. Team from P7 under Mr. Prijith are always ready for the challenges, be it the statutory changes or any new requirement from us. They fulfill our requirement immediately. They are able to provide a solution for all our needs. We are very happy for choosing Pinnacle 7 as our ERP service provider. We would highly recommend Pinnacle 7 for any complex manufacturing organization needing a well-structured end-to-end ERP solution. So once again, we thank Vidya Prakash sir for such a wonderful comment that he has given, a feedback. So we just have a couple of other testimonials as well, which we would like to showcase here. So this is from Penguin Apparels Private Limited. They are again from the garment manufacturing industry. They are located in Tamil Nadu, and they have almost like 16 plus branches across Tamil Nadu. So we at Penguin Apparels Private Limited are pleased to express our complete satisfaction with the end-to-end customized ERP solution provided by Pinnacle 7 Technologies Private Limited. The solution has been instrumental in streamlining our operations, improving overall efficiency, and addressing specific business challenges. Your team's professionalism, dedication, and ability to understand our unique requirements have been exemplary throughout the implementation process. The solution provided has significantly enhanced our internal processes from inventory management to sales tracking and has resulted in improved decision-making capabilities. This is from Mr. Mani Prabhu. He is one of the director of Penguin Apparels Private Limited. Thanks to Mani Prabhu, sir. And this is about Semnox subscription flow. We have more testimonials, but we cannot showcase everything into one presentation. So these are some of the testimonials which we thought we would like to showcase here in Odoo Roadshow. So Semnox subscription flow. So these are the flows that we did actually for our customer. So we have just showcased a few screenshots here, how this entire application is working for them, what all customization that we have done module by module, feature by feature, where we have worked according to the client requirements. So considering the time, like we have a time constraint here, so I would not be able to showcase all the screenshots here, but this is how we have done a successful implementation for Semnox, and we are happy to say that they are our happy customer. And yes, so Pinnacle 7's expertise. So as we already mentioned, like we are a 12-plus-year-old company. We have been in the industry for almost right from Odoo 5 implementation. We are there in the industry. Even before that, since it was termed as Tiny ERP, we were users of Tiny ERP. And then slowly we become a implementation partner of Odoo. And we are now a proud Odoo Silver partner. And apart from that, we also have tailored solutions, customized solutions for our customers based on the industries they serve. So about power of Odoo 16 Enterprise, like significant customization to manage sales, subscriptions, and relationships. So this is what we have done for Semnox. And now they are able to use the application flawlessly, and they are very happy using the application. In fact, they appreciated very recently in their board meeting that even if they have gone to Microsoft Dynamics, it would have not happened the way it was expected. So they really thanked Odoo and also the P7 team for a successful implementation. So once again, we would like to thank Odoo and also the entire P7 team for making it successful. And success partnership, so this we always believe in. So enhanced operational efficiency and strategic insights with Odoo implementation for Semnox. So it was a successful partnership between the customer and the P7 team, along with the product company like Odoo, and it happened. Like everything happened very smoothly, and now the customer is really happy, and they are willing to migrate themselves to the new version. So once, let's say that we have the new version launched, like where we have the AI and other features or benefits, I'm pretty sure that the customer would show interest in migrating themselves. So yes, any questions from anyone? I know. Yes.
Have you done any implementation in conference management like thing? Specifically event management, because I'm into event management, mostly into medical events. So I customize the system not from the like not Odoo thing. I custom make my own system. So do you like, since I'm new to Odoo, I haven't used yet. So have you used such kind of system, Odoo system, to implement in any event kind of thing?
Yes. So, Prijith, over to you.
I'm into medical events since like 12, 13 years. I do medical events like specifically, you must have heard about the medical conferences. It's called CMEs, where doctor register from all over the India. They have the specification. Like for example, if it's Gujarat or Gandhinagar, like Gandhinagar, just like Indian Medical Association, Gandhinagar branch would be doing conferences. So where almost around 3 to 400 or 500 doctors from their particular specialty will join the conference. So I provide systems uh, to register themselves, their workshops, their abstract registration. So I do all of them in the same system, including their ID card system, their certificate management system, their QR system. So I do all those things in my software. So like, have you used, do we have anything in Odoo, and have you done anything related to events thing?
Great. Thanks for your question. So, over to you, Prijith.
So one thing is Odoo itself has a very strong event management system that can be applied to any type of business. So as for your question, we have done we have applied this event management module for an institution in Coimbatore only, where people can come in, register for you can create a registration for an event. People can come and register for it. You would be able to see the participants, and based on that you would be able to conduct that event. Similarly, we have done an event management internally also within our company using the same module. What we would suggest is we would be able to give you a walkthrough on how this overall event management workflow happens, and I think that might straight away suit you well. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, so within Odoo, you have a very good event management system. So what will happen is this will pull the data from Odoo only. So let's say you can see all your customers. So whomever are the participants that will get registered, and even the payments that they make will automatically become invoices within the system, and you can track all that. Now by seeing all this list of participants and the data that you have received, you would be able to conduct marketing campaigns using Odoo's marketing model itself. Yes, yes.
Yes.
So you can integrate payment gateways with any payment gateways. Even now it supports UPI payments. Yes. It has all the options. You are right. You are right. Also, Odoo has certain payment gateways inbuilt, so you can just get the credits. And so even if you have a different a mode of payment gateway to be done, we would be able to do that for you. We have done even vendor batch payments all happening from HDFC Bank, SBI banks. We have configured that for our customers. Yes. Odoo. Odoo. Yeah, everything happens within Odoo. Yes. Yes. So Odoo, we have used Odoo for all these solutions. It's built on Odoo platform. This will
Okay.
help you to solve a lot of time. It will save a lot of time, and the deliveries can be even faster. Thank you.
And thank you so much for your question, sir. And we would like to connect with you. We can have a detailed discussion. You can always reach out to us at stall number 71, booth number 71, and my team will be happy to assist you with your questions. And we can certainly plan for a demo as well. Okay, so which will give you a even more better understanding about the application. So thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much. So any other questions? So yes, once again, we really thank each one of you here present over here, and a special thanks to Mr. Kuldeep once again for being here and making this occasion. Sorry. Yes, and also I would like to uh, specially thank Mr. Mugundan and his son, because we just met them in the stall today. Okay, and it was a pretty fruitful discussion that we had. And I requested him, sir, we are doing a presentation at 6 p.m. Can you please be a part of this event? He never hesitated. He said, yes, I'm there for you guys. So thanks a lot, sir, for being here. And it's such a great honor and pleasure meeting you today. And I'm sure that we'll continue this relationship forever. Thank you so much, sir. And finally, the vote of thanks, like Mr. Prijith Radhakrishnan, who's the managing director of Pinnacle 7, present over here. And I'm Ganesan Chandrasekharan, Vice President for Business and Deliveries. And Mr. Sriram Swaminathan, he's the Head of Business Development. And Mr. Raj Shekhar, he's there in the stall because we cannot leave the stall all alone. So he's the manager for Business Analysis team. And then Miss Akshara, she is our Business Development Executive. So we 5 people are here, present over here. So anyone, please feel free to reach out to us at booth number 71, and we would be happy to serve you. And any sort of a requirement, we are happy to assist you and ensure that it's been taken care for you. So thank you all. Thank you.
Very much. Thank you.